Hey friends, if you wish to remove Xbox from your computer completely, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Xbox in the Windows search bar, and then corresponding to Xbox, click on uninstall in the right pane and then click on uninstall once again. This will uninstall Xbox from your computer, but this is not done yet. After this, you will have to search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup, and then check all of these boxes here and then click on OK and then click on delete files. And this is how you can completely uninstall Xbox and all files associated with Xbox, because a lot of these files will be in the temporary files folder, so they need to be removed. One more thing that you should be doing is press the Windows key and the R button together, type percentage app data percentage and hit enter, and if you find anything related to Xbox here, then delete that as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.